The internet isn't a friendly village. It's more like a massive, chaotic stadium where every single brand is shouting at the top of their lungs, desperately trying to be heard above the noise. Imagine thousands of voices all competing for attention, each one trying to outdo the next with flashier ads, louder slogans, and bigger promises. In this digital arena, it's easy for your message to get lost, no matter how important or creative it is. And here's the twist. Your fiercest competition isn't always another brand. Sometimes it's a hamster eating a burrito, or a cat playing piano, viral animal videos that capture people's attention and steal the spotlight from even the most well-crafted marketing campaigns. In a world where entertainment is just a scroll away, you're not just up against your industry rivals, but also the endless stream of internet distractions. So, what do most brands do? They try to shout even louder or throw more money at ads, hoping to break through the noise. But let's be honest, this approach is like setting your marketing budget on fire. More ads don't guarantee more attention. They just drain your resources and leave you frustrated. Disjointed marketing efforts only add to the chaos. If your teams are working in silos, each pulling in a different direction, your brand's message becomes fragmented and confusing. What you really need is a unified strategy. A team that works together seamlessly, like the Avengers assembling to save the day. Not a group of superheroes running wild on their own. That's where the real magic happens, when search engine marketing and content marketing join forces. Think of them as the peanut butter and jelly of digital success, each powerful on its own, but truly unstoppable when combined. Together, they create a marketing powerhouse that can cut through the noise and actually reach your audience. So, stop treating your marketing teams like rival kingdoms fighting for territory. Unite them under a single vision, and you'll finally break through the digital noise. That's how you get noticed and remembered. Let's Meet the Trio SEO is your long-term health plan, making your site attractive to Google. SEM is the fast lane, paying for instant visibility, but it'll cost you. Content is the reason anyone visits. Blogs, videos, guides, real value. Without content, SEO and SEM are pointless. With it, they're unstoppable. These aren't rivals, they're a team. Content feeds SEO. SEO brings organic traffic. SEM amplifies your best work. Neglect one and your whole strategy wobbles. SEM tools can be confusing, but here's the breakdown. PPC is paying only when someone clicks, targeted, direct, and effective. Display ads are digital billboards, building brand awareness through repetition. Retargeting follows up with visitors who left, nudging them to return and convert. Used together, these tools drive the right traffic to your site. But without a smart strategy, you're just making noise. Paid clicks are useless if your site disappoints. Great content turns visitors into fans. Compelling content boosts your click-through rate. It's the bait that gets the bite. High-quality content drives conversions, persuasive blogs, helpful videos, and clear calls to action. Strong content lowers your cost per acquisition by improving your quality score, so you pay less for better results. Good content isn't just nice. It's your discount code for digital ads. Invest in content and your SM spend goes further. When people say, create great content, it sounds simple, but it's actually pretty vague and overwhelming. To cut through the noise and get real results, you need a proven framework. That's where the pillar content model comes in, a strategic approach that brings clarity and focus to your content planning. Start by building a comprehensive pillar page that covers your main topic in depth. This page acts as the foundation of your content strategy. Then create a series of cluster posts, each one diving into a specific subtopic or answering a common question related to your pillar. These clusters support your pillar and help you cover your niche from every angle. Pillar pages are designed to target broad, highly competitive keywords that your audience is searching for. Meanwhile, your cluster posts go after more specific, long-tail keywords that are easier to rank for and often have higher conversion rates. This dual approach helps you capture both wide and targeted search intent. By using SEM to drive targeted traffic to your cluster posts, you create multiple entry points for your audience. Each cluster post links back to your pillar page, strengthening your site's internal linking structure and boosting your SEO authority. Over time, this interconnected web of content signals to search engines that your site is a trusted resource. This structure creates a powerful feedback loop. Your paid and organic efforts work together, amplifying each other's impact. As your content gains traction, you'll see more engagement, higher rankings, and better ROI from your marketing spend. The pillar content model is a scalable, repeatable way to maximize every SM dollar, build lasting authority, and consistently serve your audience with valuable, relevant content. Data is your guide. Without it, you're flying blind. Google Analytics shows what's working and what's not, so you can fix content, not just throw money at ads. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs let you spy on competitors and find keyword gaps. A/B testing headlines, copy, and landing pages lets data, not guesswork, drive decisions. Let the numbers lead. Marketing becomes a science, not a gamble. Test, learn, and refine for real results. Let's dive into some real-world wins and lessons learned. Take, for example, a forward-thinking tech company that decided to break down the barriers between their SM and content teams. By uniting their efforts, they didn't just save money, they dramatically increased the number of qualified leads. Their secret? They focused on long-tail keywords, creating in-depth, helpful guides that answered real customer questions. This approach not only improved their search rankings, but also built trust and authority in their industry, setting them apart from competitors. Even small businesses can see big results. A local bakery with just one well-written blog post and a modest ad budget managed to fill their entire schedule for weeks. By aligning their content with targeted SEM campaigns, they reached new customers who were searching for exactly what they offered. It's proof that you don't need a massive budget, just smart strategy and a willingness to experiment. But it's not always smooth sailing. The biggest hurdle most organizations face is siloed teams. Marketing, sales, and product working in isolation. This leads to missed opportunities and wasted resources. The solution? Break down those walls, encourage open communication, and create a unified growth team where everyone shares the same goals and vision for success. Looking ahead, the future of digital marketing is evolving rapidly. With the rise of AI, voice search, and ever-changing consumer behaviors, the need for even tighter integration between SEM and content will only grow. Teams will need to adapt quickly, embracing new tools and trends to stay ahead of the curve. The key is to stay flexible, keep learning, and foster a culture of collaboration. When teams work together, they can respond to changes faster, test new ideas, and celebrate wins as one. So, integrate your SEM and content strategies, build a well-oiled marketing machine, and position your business to win in the digital game, no matter how the landscape shifts. After all, in this fast-paced world, the goal is simple: outpace your competition, or at the very least, outsell the hamster.